Before we begin, like, share and subscribe for more credible news. Karnataka has reported no instances of Pakistani, Bangladeshi or Iranian nationals securing Aadhaar, ration cards or other government benefits during the ongoing electoral roll revision. Home Minister Priyank Kharge disclosed this in a written reply in the legislature. The information was sought by expelled BJP MLA Passangowda Patil Yatnal. The enumeration exercise under the Special Intensive Revision ended on August 17th. The draft voter list is scheduled for release on August 24th. Meanwhile, about 1.07 crore names have been placed in the ASDDO category, covering voters marked absent, shifted, dead, duplicate and others. The government has also said it does not have a precise figure for the number of illegal foreign nationals currently living in Karnataka. Its records show that 911 foreign nationals were identified over the last 3 years. The largest group was from Bangladesh with 868 cases. The list also included 20 Pakistanis, 13 Nigerians and 8 Sri Lankans. One person each from Myanmar and Uganda was also identified. Of the 911 people, authorities said 365 were linked to criminal activities.